The soap basket is appeared to be a handcrafted item. Is made from the bar of the soap, which has been decorated and resemble a small basket. Here's the description. It's a features base, a rectangular bar of white soap in form of base. Decoration is the soap is adorned with a gold and beach ribbon and arranged in the zigzag pattern around the button. Small gold beads are the interface set in between the ribbons. A large more elaborating gold and yellow in decorative element inserted on the top future pink fabric rose. Handle handle is handle is made in the blue and gold twisted and wire or a ribbon arched over the top of the soap. Color of the ribbon is the male ribbon is are gold and its handle is the made from the ribbon that is a blue. The gold is the rose is pink. Thank you.